We're going to talk about our 2004 Lexus IS300. These are highly sought after models from 2001 to 2005, and the one common issue that these cars almost always have is the dashboard sun poison, sticky kind of scratchy look between all these dash and the upper dash side, which usually sticks to your fingers and is very hard to clean. What we did is we took off all the paneling, including all the radio and the climate controls, and we covered it as much as we could with the brown paper to be able to paint it. We used the flat black paint. Flat black usually will run you probably between $7 to $10, and it will most definitely do the job. Makes it look dry, good to the, nice to the touch, and it's a pretty cheap fix. Realistically, you could do it yourself with just some basic tools, some prying tools, a couple of screwdrivers or a drill bit, and this should be done probably within an hour or two instead of buying a whole new dashboard and replacing it, which could take a few days probably to do. Good luck.